Final. That was off the board. Huh? What? That's fine. I see it drip all over. All this stuff in there. Oh, not yet. Oh yeah, we want to make sure it's we got a fire. There we go.
You got that little bubble, Joe?
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Boom, 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 boom. Beautiful. Not too complex. Oh. Okay, I can get down.
Oh, that side's done. It's this side needs it. Let me put a nail in there so I just can't get in there with the hammer down. There you go.
Oh yeah, that'll work good. That was a big fucking bendy straight one for you to figure out what else you need to do.
Do you have to wrap
I
any
gotta
of those
make-
pipes? There so they
So
don't
that can
rattle?
be pulled out.
Like that? How they did that?
I can do clamps.
Well, I think that was for moisture,
Oh,
right? They wrap
That's
it-
the cold water.
Yeah, cold water's moisture.
So yeah, we probably should.
Wrap the cold ones.
It gets freaking cold from the well.
Yeah.
so it doesn't freeze?
No, so don't moisture.
Oh.
That soaks
We'll
it.
see how the
See how
well pump condensates. That would do that and drip in here. I mean, it would dry out, but
Should I get it
the
moldy?
chance of molding.
Should I write that to the list?
We need what? Just the cold, so about 40 feet of. This is mixed. So, I don't know, 10, 20. Oh, we didn't do that one.
Which one?
Didn't we take it off of that one? Well, we'll see if it leaks.
Take nothing off of that one.
Or we pull that out. I thought we pulled something off of this one.
Oh.
There was insulation on this one too.
Oh, it was rotted.
I didn't see no stained ceiling, so.
Yeah, it wasn't.
I mean, I see it drip a lot in ceilings in the building, and it just evaporates right away.
It's not.
It's not critical, but we got enough airflow above the ceiling still. It's open over there.
Right, it's not. It's more.
I'd say we do this one though while we got it open.
We got 5, 10,
All the way back there.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
3/4 inch, 30 feet of it.
Yeah.
Okay. I had 40. 30?
Oh, whatever they sell in packs. They come in.
Could be in a
they come in
50.
They come in a certain pack. They're like 4 foot long.
Okay.
Alright. Soldering all done?
No, I
Nope,
just
wait,
need the
more.
one head. I need a more half-inch.
An elbow?
Got an elbow.
No, I need a
Pipe.
piece